Premium guest experiences begin with the reservation. There's lots to show you, but first, let's take a closer look at how guests make a reservation using the Resengo widget on your website. The Resengo widget has been designed to provide a seamless experience by offering all the options a guest might need in one interactive hub. It's easy to install on any website and fully customizable. In addition to making reservations, your guests can buy gift vouchers, check special events, order takeout, and more, all from the same convenient place. Of course, the most important action is book. To make a reservation, the guest first selects the desired service, then the number of guests, and finally their preferred date. The widget's calendar is fully synchronized with your Resengo admin, using real-time data to ensure guests can only book available time slots. During the reservation, the guest can also send any questions directly to your inbox for quick responses that will impress. After completing the reservation, the guest receives a confirmation mail, or SMS, with all the reservation details. An additional reminder email will be sent close to the booking date. This has been shown to help minimize the number of no-shows. One of many ways Resengo uses data to improve your business. As you can see, making a reservation has never been easier, quicker, or more enjoyable for your guests, all thanks to the Resengo widget. To take advantage of the widget, you'll need a business profile on resengo.com. Resengo.com is the go-to for real-time availability of restaurants and wellness facilities in your area. With thousands of visitors searching for inspiration for their next dining experience, having a standout profile is what moves your guest from viewing into booking. To create a business profile that speaks to your brand, there are just a few simple steps. First, upload your pictures and logo to create a compelling visual representation of your brand. Next, add a description that promotes your business, along with tags for the type of food, facilities, and price range you offer. Finally, on the email page, you'll add a banner picture that will be used in all communication to your guests, in combination with your logo. Next up, we'll explore the inbox, where you'll be able to see and respond to all your guest communication.